Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. I'm Mitchell, and today we're breaking down SuRo Capital Corp, ticker SSSS, a powerhouse in high growth venture investments, especially in AI. Just last month, on November 4th, SuRo released stellar Q3 2025 results. Net asset value hit $9.23 per share, up from $9.18 in Q2, fueled by strategic bets on AI and infrastructure. The board declared a robust 0.25 per share dividend paid out to shareholders, underscoring their commitment to returns. Earlier this year, portfolio stars like CoreWeave nailed the largest tech IPOs since 2021, while OpenAI's $300 billion valuation round boosted momentum, with shares trading around $9.58, a slight premium to NAV. SSSS is positioned for continued upside in the AI boom. If you're eyeing growth plays, SSSS deserves a spot on your watch list. What do you think? Bullish on AI? Drop a comment below, hit like, subscribe for more stock insights, and ring the bell. See you next time. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Get out there and make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.